Right now, this video will help you go onto the BitGo blog. The first step you want to do is go to company and click blog. As you know, the page will scroll down. I will say read our latest news and technical updates here at our blog. So what you're going to do is click here at our blog, which will take you to their blog. And usually you'll come to this page. As you know, some sites have blogs like this, but this one says sign up and get started, as it is known as the menu bar. You can see that you can follow their blog by clicking this link, and you can click these posts so you can read more. You can subscribe to their blog, and you can go to the Twitter and Facebook. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, go to the Read Coins page. You can read over 150 pages. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned how to go on the blog on BitGo.